What significant role will industrial robots play in the future of smart manufacturing? Will them always be enormous in size and could be dangerous? How about reducing them 10 times smaller so you are in touch with the enhancing future of manufacturing? Mirobot is a 6-axis mini-industrial robotic arm. Equipped with 6 stepper motors, Mirobot can tilt, turn, and access more space than the 3 or 4-axis robotic arms. Using trajectory planning algorithm, Mirobot can follow paths and orientations specified by your program. Though much smaller than typical industrial robots, Mirobot maintains high precision with a repeatability of 0.2 mm. It moves fast and smooth, and is also stable and reliable, with much less trembling as compared to an RC servo robot arm. The makers are most excited about Mirobot because it is open-sourced. Everyone can make Mirobot even better. Unlike running an industrial robot that requires complex operational skills, Mirobot is very easy to use. You can choose from 3 controlling methods. By simply connecting to a power source and linking to a controlling device, you can play Mirobot in just 1 minute. The Mirobot controller is similar to an industrial robot pendant that provides 3 control modes: the joint control mode, coordinate control mode, and teaching mode. The teaching mode is available in both controller and PC software. It allows you to record and replay complex motions. Using a PC, you can further adjust the motion parameters to achieve more complex tasks. How do you program the Mirobot? You can use Blockly, G-code, and Python in the software, or programming API by using C, C++, and Java. Try the drawing mode available in the PC software. Demonstrate anything you want Mirobot to draw, and it will immediately draw it for you. There are multiple handling tools and drawing tools for installation, such as gripper, suction cup, universal gripper, electromagnet, pen holder, and more. Mirobot's workspace can be further expanded by combining conveyor belts, rails, or mobile cart. By adopting machine vision based on OpenMV, Mirobot can understand faces, colors, and shapes, and then perform appropriate actions. Mirobot is also versatile. It can be your artistic companion, sharing with you the joys of art creation. A fan of GoPro? Capture something cool with Mirobot, so you can experience its dexterity and stability. With all of these functions and add-ons, you can now manufacture an exciting new world. You can place Mirobot into fantasy scenes and permit it to display your great ideas. Or you can use it to create something practical, such as assemble it into a production line that manufactures little chess pieces. Safe, compact, easy to use, and precise. This is Mirobot, your first 6-axis mini-industrial robot arm.
Why is it that kids find sports so exciting and science so boring? And why aren't we inspiring more kids to become awesome engineers instead of professional athletes? At Revolution Robotics, we envision a world where more kids participate in robotics than any other organized sport. My name is Jared Schreiber, and I founded Revolution Robotics as a true nonprofit that's dedicated to leveraging and developing open source technologies that make robotics education and competitions accessible and enjoyable to kids globally.
My name is Jason Morella. I've spent the last 20 years helping build and grow STEM robotics programs. I'm excited to help Jared launch this new platform and new programs to help address the issues that face STEM education and the future workforce. Existing robotics kits are simply too expensive and they're too complex for kids to use. That's why we're excited to unveil the brand new Revolution Robotics Challenge Kit. We realize that while there are some great nonprofit robot programs out there, most use for-profit kits, which makes them really expensive. While other robot kits are for-profit, ours is for-purpose, to make an impact, to pave the way for anyone from any background to have access to an inspirational STEM education program.
Besides providing great robotics kits, our foundation will also provide free STEM education resources to kids, parents, teachers, and mentors around the world, leveraging open source technologies to make high-quality kits affordable. All kids around the world should have the opportunities that STEM education can provide. The foundation of any robotics kit is its brain, and we think ours is pretty special. Instead of $200 of proprietary circuitry, we started with a $10 Raspberry Pi Zero W and added motor and sensor controls with standard components in a completely hackable design. We're contributing to the open source community. Because computers are still too expensive for most classrooms and households around the world, we've focused on a device that a majority of the world's families now own, a smartphone. Our robots can be both programmed and remote controlled directly from a phone or tablet via the Revolution Robotics app without any need for a computer or a separate remote control. Users can even share their exciting new ideas with others and 3D print their own parts and accessories. By open sourcing the hardware, software, and mobile app, the user and maker communities can help us continuously improve the platform even faster and better. Community members can also submit their own ideas for our weekly challenges that put robot building and coding skills to the test. We're here on Kickstarter to launch this STEM revolution and to invite you to be a part of it. The world needs creative problem solvers, and we can't envision a better way to inspire a new generation to learn and apply STEM skills to solve real-world problems.
Help us introduce students of all ages to the essential and exciting fields of robotics, engineering, and computer programming. We're committed to helping the kids of today, all around the world, become the problem solvers of tomorrow. So come on, join us in this revolution.
Play is our brain's favourite way of learning. So, we wanted to start something with the most popular and widely used educational platform, the BBC Mirobot. Now, what is a BBC Mirobot? It's not just a small PCB board, but a board with features like LED light, temperature sensors, Bluetooth, a USB interface, and a compass. So now we know why the Mirobot is so popular. Thus, we decided to add a platform that accompanies both playing and learning. We present to you the STEM bit, an easy to assemble and play with programmable blocks kit for the Mirobot community. The name is compiled using two different words, STEM from the STEM Education Society and BIT from the BBC Mirobot community. With STEM bit, it's ensured that learning is made an enjoyable experience. In other simple words, with the STEM bit, kids can utilise the applications of the Mirobot to fully realise their ideas and truly unlock their imagination while on the play. The programmable blocks kit comprises of more than 260 building blocks, and it's called the Mirobot and the Mirobot STEM board. The STEM board is a specially designed expansion board that is used for programming different movements, structures, sensors, etc. using the Mirobot. STEM bit can be used to play and learn programming, regardless if you know programming or if you don't. Now the question comes, why STEM bit? Well, the answer is easy, because it's fun and learn on the go. STEM bit is an easy to assemble programmable kit that helps to design multiple structures like the tuk-tuk car, skyscraper, the crawling robot, and many more. It enables you to nurture creativity in kids, programming different components, learn about multiple sensors, and play together. We have combined electronic components with building blocks such as infrared remote controls, optical avoidance, tracking, colourful lights, and other functions that allow users to control moving blocks with programming. With so many different combinations to make and multiple programming options, STEMBit is a great source of entertainment for everyone. It supports Scratch, JavaScript, block coding, and Python programming, again giving it the endless opportunities to power your imagination and nurture your creativity. You can also take control of the design structures using the gamepad. With the STEMBit, you can learn robot creation, gain mechanical knowledge, work with different sensors, electronic circuit knowledge, and enhance your programming skills. It helps you enrich your imagination using technology. In simple words, it's a combination of blocks and the electronic modules together. You can practically share this experience of the STEMBit and help us reach our goal on Kickstarter by backing us.